Hello all, today we are here to unbox Galaxy Watch 46mm variant. So this is how the box looks like. So there are some details given on the box. You can pause and see the details. Samsung watch is a very successful watch with very good features. So let's cut the seal and open the box. Okay, here is the watch. This is the IMEI number details for the watch. Let's keep aside. And in the box, the first thing we can see is the watch itself. Let's open it. Okay, it looks good. Let's keep this aside for now. And let's see the box components. As we open the cover, we have two side box. Okay. So in this we can see there is charger cable, the adapter, which is going to connect to the charger cradle. Okay. And what else in this? Okay. The extra strap. In case you damage your strap, you can change it with this new one. We have the charging dock. It's a magnetic dock. The watch attaches itself to the magnetic dock, which is a good thing. It prevents it from falling around. And we have some paperwork, the warranty card, the user manual and things, and that's it, nothing else in the box. There are some paperwork, that is warranty card, user manual and everything. Make sure you read it before you use it. So here is the watch. Okay. It looks good and premium. The aluminum body with the plastic back. Silver finishing. The two buttons are rubber coated. And black dial. Looks very gorgeous. With the manual rotating dial, we can see the heart sensor. We have many things which can be done with this watch connected to the Samsung Wear app. So all those details will be given in a separate video where we will review the watch and its features in details. So that's it for the unboxing today. We will have more videos on this later. Thanks for watching.